Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve the perfect men's middle part using a hairdryer. First, ensure your hair is damp, not soaking wet, after towel drying. Next, apply a good quality heat protectant spray from roots to ends to shield your hair from heat damage. Finally, consider using a pre-styling product, such as a sea salt spray, to add texture and hold, making your hair more manageable. Now, let's create that defined middle part. Take a fine-tooth comb and draw a precise line down the center of your head, from your forehead to your crown. With your hairdryer set to medium heat and low speed, start drying the roots of your hair. Aim the nozzle downwards, following the direction of your hair growth, to help flatten and smooth the hair cuticle for a sleek finish. To add volume and shape to the sides, grab a round brush. As you dry each side section, use the brush to lift the hair upwards and away from your face, creating a natural, flowing look. Continue this process until your hair is mostly dry. Once satisfied with the shape, blast each section with a cool shot from your hairdryer for about 5 to 10 seconds to lock in the style and enhance shine. For the final touches, take a pea-sized amount of a matte pomade or styling cream. Rub it between your palms to emulsify, then gently work it through your hair, focusing on the ends and sides. This provides a flexible hold without stiffness. Make any last-minute adjustments to ensure your middle part is perfectly aligned and your hair looks effortlessly styled and natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.